Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Nifa Faces and Hair. Thank you for following me guys. Today I'm here to show you how you can do a repair for dreadlocks. You've been asking me to give you this video, but here I am. Thank you for subscribing guys. First of all, to do that style or to do that repair, you should be with this material. This is called Molding Gel Max. Yeah, if you want your repair to look nice, you have to use this. Secondly, you have to be with these needles, 2 needles. This one is good for pulling the hair for lolling the hair when you are making natural dreads. This one is good for locking, so it's better to have this with you. Guys, I'm not going to talk too much because I have flu and cough, so I'm not talking so well. So guys, see the video because you will see how I'm doing it, but I'm not going to talk too much about this video. Sorry for that. Thank you for the video or watch the video. guys, I think you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for loving Nifa Faces and Hair. If you are new here, please subscribe, ring the bell, comment. You will not be disappointed on this channel. Thank you for following me. You can share, you can comment any video you want me to do. I'll do it for you. I think the natural dreadlocks was so nice. Thank you for loving me. Bye bye. See you next time. I love you.